How to fix Messenger chat heads not showing on Android. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If your Messenger chat heads or bubble is not showing on your Android device, don't worry. In today's video, I'll walk you through some simple steps to solve this issue. So let's get started. Facebook Messenger was the first messaging app to introduce and popularize the chat heads or chat bubbles option on the Android device. If you don't see bubbles for incoming Messenger notifications, follow these steps to resolve the issue. First, open the Google Play Store and search for Messenger. Check for any available updates. If you don't see an update, open the Messenger app and tap your profile icon and scroll down to bubbles. Select all conversations that can bubble or choose a specific contacts if you prefer. Next, go to your device settings and scroll down to notifications and control. Then tap floating notification. Locate the messenger, toggle and turn it on. Also, check your lock screen settings. Lastly, tap and hold the messenger app icon and select app info and scroll down to battery saver and choose no restriction. After completing these steps, you should be able to chat with anyone on Messenger and see the chat heads or chat bubbles option. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.